back to my YouTube channel. What's happening? It's Mariana over there here, bringing beauty to your screen. You already know the vibes. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. If this is your first time of seeing this fine girl's face, you're welcome to the family. My name is Mariana Mabude. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. You already know. Okay, so in today's video, guys, it's going to be a very short, quick, straight to the point video. I'm just going to show you guys like 5 brushes, just 5 brushes I believe you will need when it comes to your eyeshadow work. You don't have to break the bank, guys. You don't have to break the bank. You don't have to buy the full what's it called, you don't have to buy the full set of brushes. You could just buy the ones that's like probably like 5 in 1 or 10 in 1 highest. If you could buy one, I'll just tell you like which ones to just pick for beginners, obviously, except you're like a professional that you can do all those plenty cigarettes. And so for starters, let me just show you the brushes that I believe you will need. Okay, so for starters, you're going to need a blending brush. A blending brush is very important. It comes in different shapes. I feel like this is the biggest that I have, and this is basically, yeah, I've seen how fluffy it is. I know you see the tip. This is basically to help you blend out your eyeshadow when you're going, like when you're trying to like work it in. This is the best brush for that. It just helps you blend the 2 shades of colors together. So this is the big one, and I have the small one as well. It has a kind of flat tip, but I also use it to like just go in to blend it all together. So whichever one you get from this 2, it's very okay. Then I have the angle brush, which a lot of people use to conceal their eyebrow. Yes, we know this is what you use to conceal your eyebrow, but this is not for your eyebrow. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to let it go. You can use it for your eyebrows, but basically this is not for necessarily for concealing. It's like when you're trying to fill in your brows, to get maybe when you're using like a gel product or something like this is the best thing for you to use to like fill it in. But usually stuff like this come with just small brushes, and if you look at those small brushes, you will see it's shaped like this. You get, so this is an angle brush, but it can also suffice as a concealer brush for those of you that are just starting. But along the line, you can get like a full kit, then you know the difference. That's for that. Now for a shading brush, this is your shading brush. This one is very just flat. Basically, I also call it the applicator. It's just carry the eyeshadow like this from your palette and place it on it. You're not scrubbing, you're not, no. So just take it and then place. That's just, for me, that's what I use this for. The thing about this brushes, let me be realistic, yeah, the thing about these brushes, I feel like different people have different names they call it. I don't know, I'm just saying, I feel like different people have different names they call it, because what I just call angle brush, some people probably call it concealer brush. So but for this one, people will call it the shady brush, but I can also call it applicator. I guess there are different terms for it, but this is what the shading brush is. To just pick up your eyeshadow and to just pat it up gently on your eyelid. That's what this is for. Okay, this eyeshadow is just basically eyeshadow brush 020. The eyeshadow brushes that I'm showing you right now, it came in a set. This is the pack it came in. I've basically scattered all my brushes everywhere. So the one that I showed you guys is the shading brush. That's what the first one that I showed you, that's the shading brush to shade, apply shadows and then blend and all of that. Then you also have the angle brush, which is the one I showed you. This is the second angle brush. It has like 2 inside. Then you have the eyeshadow brush. I already showed you guys that. So if you can get this, I think this is probably like 4 something or 5k, I'm not very sure, but if you can get this for a beginner, you are good to go. It's like 1 2 3 4 5 6, there's even 6 inside, extra one for you. You're good to go. And then the last one, this one is from a different brush set that I just got. I just love how nice this thing looks. Now for me, this is what I'll call an angle brush, because the tip is like, it's very slim. You can easily just use it to pick up your brow gel for your brows, or for your like to line your eyes. This is it for me. This is what I will call the angle brush, or I will basically call the other one the concealer brush. So if you have any of these brushes, for a beginner, I believe you are on your way to being a pretty good makeup artist at this point, because when it comes to simple makeup, when it comes to just doing your shadow and all of that, this is basically what you need. You don't have to break the bank, you don't have to go overboard, except you want to now be a bit dramatic when it comes to your face or when it comes to your eyes. Then you diversify a bit and then go for all those tiny pointed brushes to give you those precise look that you want. But if you just want something straight, this are what you need. These 5 brushes, trust me, this is what I used to create this look on my face. They do wonders, except one brush that's not here right now. But this is it, guys. So I told you this video is going to be very short because I don't want to talk a lot. So these are just the brushes I wanted to show you guys. I hope I wasn't too fast as usual. So here they are. Here the brushes are. The blend brush, the shading brush, the second blending brush, angle brush, which I'll also call concealer brush, and then the angle brush. I hope this was helpful, guys. Remember, you don't have to break your bank to buy brushes. That's why I'm here. Just go get this one and you are good to go. Okay, guys? So please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'm gonna catch you all in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for always showing on my videos love, although there are some that I am not so sure if I should post, but for some weird reason I still post it and you guys still watch it, like eat it up. So thank you guys so much. I love you all. Bye.